Ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
I think you like it better if I were broken. Just a broken little bird with a broken little wing, like I just fell out of my nest into your arms. You could pick me up and nurse me right till I got better, then you'd leave. I think you like it better if I were a drunk, doing nothing but betting cards, taking shots and counting my luck. So when I came home at night up a thou, you could find a new way to break my heart again somehow. Each person is a different world, 1,000 universes live in each one. Sour little curdled cartons of single-serving milk left forgotten there beside the lunch lady's trunk. Maybe I should learn from this, but your yelling's got me tired. Maybe someday I'll be better, but till then I'm losing time. Every time we meet, you know we fight for the love we wish we had. If either one of us could just stay quiet, we might make it through this trip in peace. You know we might even make it through the night. Each person is a different world, a little universe exists in each one. Rambunctious little trouble starters who just don't fit the bill. Well, I'm gonna try to get to know each one. Maybe I should learn from this, but your ego's got me tired. Maybe someday I'll be better, but till then I'm losing time. Maybe I should learn from this, but your yelling's got me crying. Maybe someday I'll be better, but till then I'm losing nothing but time. Right? Well, that'll do.